Hi, my name's Elizabeth and this is my husband Anthony. We live in Santa Clara and we just finished a remodel and an addition with Ray. So we found out about Ray because we saw his positive reviews online. So we had him come to the house. We did a walkthrough and we felt that what we were looking for was also what he could offer and decided to move forward with Ray to do the remodel and the addition.
We really liked Ray as a person, and that was one of the things that drew us to him as our preferred contractor. We talked about what we envisioned for the future of our home, and I think we had similar priorities, and he gave us a good vision of what we would like to see for our home.
In the beginning, we went through and did multiple iterations of the drawings to make sure that we had the best layout for the space. Our house is not huge, but he helped us maximize the space with the addition as well, but not having to take away our backyard. So keeping in with our priorities and our values and what we are looking for. We ended up going with more or less one of the initial designs that Ray and his team came up with.
Felt that Ray had our back the entire way through this project, and we worked our best to make sure that we were all on the same page. Whenever we encountered a problem, he had a solution lined up and worked with us to identify what solution we wanted, and eventually we usually got to that same goal. We had a group text that was going 24/7, so if any problems were to arise, he or his crew would be immediately responsive. The best part out working with Ray was the fact that we didn't have to interact with the city at all, which meant that he managed all of the permit side, and so from our perspective, we never had to go into the office, go through inspections, we never had to be home for any of those. So his team was attentive to all of those needs.
We love it. It's great. It's the perfect amount of space. We love spending time at the kitchen. So we really like how open it is and how we're able to spend more time here with family. So it really has worked out perfectly. We really love it.